Hey everyone, welcome back to Edgeverse. Every year, billions of animals suffer in silence. From factory farms to vanishing wild habitats, and even in labs where they're used for our benefit. But what if cutting-edge tech is turning cruelty into compassion? Today, we're diving into how AI, drones, and digital twins are revolutionizing animal welfare. Stick around, and I'll show you how we're building a kinder world for our furry, feathered, and finned friends. If you're passionate about animals or tech, hit that like button now. Let's get into it. First, let's set the stage. The scale of animal suffering is mind-blowing. Over 80 billion farm animals are raised for food each year, mostly in industrial systems. Wildlife populations have plummeted by nearly 70% since 1970 due to poaching, habitat loss, and human conflicts. And in labs, millions of animals still endure testing, even as alternatives emerge. It's a massive ethical crisis, but technology isn't just watching, it's stepping in to fix it. From smart farms to wildlife trackers, we're getting tools that monitor, protect, and predict animal needs like never before.
Think of it as giving animals a voice through data. To understand why this matters, let's quickly touch on the roots of animal welfare.
Back in the 1960s, books like Animal Machines exposed factory farming horrors, leading to the five freedoms. These include freedom from hunger, pain, and fear. For years, we relied on human checks, but it was clunky and hard to scale. Now, with AI, sensors, and automation exploding, we're entering a new era. Tech pushes us way beyond minimums set by laws like the U.S. Animal Welfare Act. What if we could prevent suffering before it starts? That's the game changer we're talking about. Let's start with farm animals. In massive operations, one person can't watch thousands of cows or pigs. Enter precision livestock farming, or PLF. It's like having a digital shepherd on duty 24/7. AI-powered cameras and mics analyze everything: how an animal walks, eats, or even coughs. For dairy cows, systems like cane dust spot lameness early by tracking gait changes. In pig barns, SoundTalks mics listen for cough patterns to catch respiratory bugs before they spread, cutting down on blanket antibiotics.
Automation makes life comfier too. Robotic milking machines let cows decide when to get milked, reducing stress.
Smart barns use IoT sensors to tweak temperature, humidity, and air quality on the fly, beating heat stress. Tailored rations based on real-time data mean no more over- or underfeeding. This shifts farming from reactive fixes to proactive care, boosting the five freedoms while making operations greener and more efficient. Isn't it wild how tech turns empathy into everyday practice? Now, shifting gears to the wild, where animals face poachers, shrinking habitats, and climate chaos. Here, tech acts like a superhero sidekick for conservationists. Drones are frontline warriors. With thermal cameras, they patrol at night, spotting poachers' heat signatures. Programs like Air Shepherd have slashed poaching in African parks by alerting rangers in real time. Satellites from companies like Planet track deforestation and illegal activities, sending alerts to stop habitat loss. Oxford researchers even use AI on satellite images to count elephants from space, accurate and non-invasive. Then there's bioacoustics, listening to nature's soundtrack. Sensors in forests or oceans record animal calls, and AI decodes them. The Elephant Listening Project picks up rumbles to monitor herds and detect gunshots instantly. Projects like SETI are even trying to translate whale clicks to understand their social stress from human noise. Wearables like mini GPS collars with accelerometers and heart monitors give real-time insights into an animal's life. For rehabbed animals like sea turtles, these track post-release survival, boosting reintroduction success. Tech turns vast wilderness into a protected network. But wait, there's more beyond farms and wilds. In labs, bioengineering is untying the ethical knot of animal testing. Organoids, many organs grown from human stem cells, and organs on a chip mimic human biology better than mice or rats. Harvard's Weiss Institute has chips that simulate lungs or guts, testing drugs without harming animals. Thanks to laws like the FDA Modernization Act, we're ditching mandatory animal tests for these humane, accurate alternatives, saving lives and speeding up cures. For pets and working animals, 3D printing is a miracle. Custom prosthetics from CT scans restore mobility to dogs with lost limbs. Like Derby the dog who got wheeled loops to run free. Braces and wheelchairs help paralyzed pups too, extending joyful lives. It's heartwarming stuff, tech treating animals like family. Looking ahead, the digital twin concept is futuristic gold. It's a virtual model of an animal, fed real-time data from sensors, genetics, and behavior. For a cow, it predicts diseases days early, like spotting ketosis risks. Applied to herds or wildlife, it models everything from disease spread to environmental tweaks. What if we could foresee and prevent animal hardships? That's the proactive compassion tech unlocks. Of course, no revolution is perfect. We've got to talk ethics. Tech's a double-edged sword. AI could boost welfare or just amp up productivity, turning farms into high-tech misery factories. Constant surveillance might stress animals, and wearables could disrupt wild behaviors. Data privacy is huge. Who owns the info from smart collars? Hackers could use wildlife GPS to aid poachers, so encryption is key. Philosophically, do we overmanage animals, stripping their natural instincts? A good life means more than no pain. It includes freedom to be wild. The key? Responsible action. We need teams of tech folks, vets, ethicists, and policymakers collaborating on guidelines that put welfare first. Support orgs like WWF or Cruelty Free International. Push for welfare-focused policies and choose ethical products. Technology's neutral. It's our values that make it kind. We've seen how AI, drones, biotech, and more are slashing suffering. Across farms, wilds, labs, and homes. From spotting lame cows early to decoding whale songs, it's a compassionate tech boom. But success hinges on ethics. Using these tools to enhance lives, not exploit them. Together, we can build a world where animals thrive alongside us. If this fired you up, smash that subscribe button for more on tech and ethics. Let's hit 10K subs this month. Drop a comment. What's one animal welfare tech that blows your mind? Share your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay compassionate.